Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Leslie and this is Oiled and Powerful. This is going to be an unboxing of my quick order. And this is the second attempt at filming this, so don't get at me. Your bottles are already open and your box is not, it's not a true unboxing. I tried filming it and I lost my footage, so I'm redoing it for you guys. So the first oil I got was Palmarosa. This one I have not had before and I am not drawn to this one, but it is a light floral slash earthy smell, and that's it. It's a single blend, it's a single oil. That's the first one. And because on quick order slips they don't give you the prices of any of the items that you get, I'm going to put all the retail and wholesale prices down in the bottom bar for you guys. The next one I have is Eucalyptus Globulus. This one is a main ingredient in RC, and I love eucalyptus, so this one's one of my favorite ones. I love RC and other like Eucalyptus radiata and Eucalyptus blue. I love those too. Eucalyptus is just mainly one of my favorite scents. But I love that one. It's a single oil as well. The next one I got is patchouli. This one, whenever I think of patchouli, I think of hippy dippy smokers. But that's just me because of how I was raised. And I kind of like patchouli. I mean, I wouldn't wear it by itself, by no means would I do that. But I do like it. This one's really nice. And as you see, I have already put my labels on these because I didn't realize I lost my footage. So, and then the next one I got is a blend. This is Gentle Baby. In Gentle Baby there is coriander, geranium, palmarosa, lavender, ylang ylang, Roman chamomile, bergamot, which is pheromone free, meaning you can wear it outside, lemon, jasmine, and rose. This one, earlier whenever I was smelling this, I just held it here for like 20 minutes because I love the smell of this one. It kind of reminds me of baby powder with a light floral scent underneath it. But this is going to be one of my new favorites probably. There's that one. The next one I got is Peace and Calming. And in Peace and Calming there is tangerine, orange, ylang ylang, patchouli, and blue tansy. And now that I have my own Peace and Calming, I see why other people have been saying that they never let themselves run out of this one and they have tons and tons of backstock. Because this one smells so good. Like, I'm kind of going to be addicted to this one. I like it. This one smells so nice. I'm going to try and put that one in my diffuser tonight, actually. And then the last one I got is Valerian. This is a singles oil, so I'm not going to put myself through opening and smelling this one again because I'm not drawn to this one at all. But I've heard that it's good for sleep support, so that's what I got this one for. And you guys, this was $180 something worth of oils, and I got them all for free using my Essential Rewards points that I have built up. So if you have any questions about Essential Rewards or how you can get started on Young Living, check out the bottom bar, because I'm going to put some information down there for you to get started. And go ahead and check out our Facebook page. I've started that up, and you guys have a good day wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!